Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Maximize your truck bed potential with this versatile tailgate extender. Compatible with full-size trucks such as the F-Series, Silverado, Ram, Tundra, and Titan, this extender adds valuable space and keeps cargo secure. Flip outward to extend the bed by 2 feet when the tailgate is down, ideal for carrying longer items. Flip inward when the tailgate is closed to prevent groceries and other items from sliding around. Rubber straps secure the extender when open, minimizing bumps and rattles. Built to withstand the elements, it features weather-resistant PA6 nylon risers and durable 6063 T6 aluminum alloy tubing with a metallic black powder coat finish that resists fading and rusting. It also includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. The U-shaped design optimizes cargo space, making the most of your truck bed. Installation requires 6 drill holes and a latch system that allows for quick removal. There are instructions and everything you need for your beloved car in our shopping cart. Refresh your cleaning routine with the EVage 2-in-1 undercarriage pressure washer. This versatile tool functions as an undercarriage cleaner and a pressure washer brush, making cleaning faster and more efficient. A swivel joint allows you to easily switch between cleaning modes by adjusting the nozzle. This kit includes a 14-inch 45-degree curved bar and 2 16-inch straight bars, making it easy to reach those hard-to-reach areas under your vehicle. Quick connect plugs on all parts ensures seamless compatibility with a variety of pressure washers. There's also a large wash mitt for cleaning the body of your vehicle. Handling both hot and cold water up to a maximum of 4,000 psi, this 2-in-1 cleaner tackles everything from undercarriage to decks, patios, driveways, and pool areas. This is a must-have for anyone who values time and efficiency. Built to last, this sturdy accessory features 4 stainless steel nozzles for high pressure, precise water flow, even suitable for watering lawns. 2 durable rubber wheels maneuver in tight spaces for thorough cleaning, and the 16-inch size makes it easy to store. Don't be afraid of washing your car anymore. The EVage undercarriage pressure washer makes cleaning easy. A small bed makes long trips a challenge. Don't worry, maximize your truck bed space with the USA-made undercover swing case. Designed for the 2015-2025 Ford F-150 passenger side, this clever storage box swings out nearly 180 degrees for easy access from the rear door, then locks over the wheel well, preserving valuable bed space. It maintains a 3-inch clearance from the truck bed and works with virtually all soft, hard folding and roll-up truck bed covers. The swing case boasts a key-locking lid and can hold up to 75 pounds of cargo. An organizational tray and moisture seal keep your belongings dry and protected. Installation is simple, with no special tools required. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty and undercovers US customer support. Swing case, smart, safe, and convenient storage for your F-150. Say goodbye to annoying rattling noises from your hitch with this 5/8-inch anti-ratchet latch. Designed for 2.5-inch hitch receivers capable of pulling up to Class 4. It also works with 2-inch drop tubes. This latch eliminates distracting noise and movement while absorbing impact. A metal tube distributes the force of the 5/8-inch shoulder across both latch holes, enhancing absolute strength. Built to last, it features a steel spring nut and a corrosion-resistant, self-lubricating coating with chrome, zinc, and stainless steel components. The 90-degree push lock swivels for easy access even in tight spaces. Heavy-duty latch with waterproof nylon housing and dust cap protects against corrosion, both inside and out. Have you seen its uses clearly? Click on the product link below to understand the product details, and don't forget to bring it home to your beloved family car. Need to enhance your truck or SUV? Bully Steps offer a stylish and safe solution. Crafted from one-piece chrome-plated cast aluminum, these steps are exceptionally durable without weak welds. Each extra deep step is rated to support up to 350 pounds, providing reliable access to the cabin, even in harsh conditions. These steps aren't just about function, they add a touch of elegance to your vehicle. Designed to fit most trucks and SUVs, they seamlessly blend form and function. You'll receive 2 steps, one for each side of your vehicle, along with all the necessary mounting hardware and easy-to-follow DIY instructions. The one-piece cast aluminum construction not only maximizes strength, reaching an impressive 350-pound weight limit, but also keeps the steps surprisingly lightweight. In addition, the reliable anti-slip step area ensures safe steps every time you climb up or down. Invest more in your car on Amazon with us. The product's policy and use will satisfy you. Need a versatile mounting solution for your studio or mobile shoots? This 360-degree camera clamp mount is your answer. Designed for photography and videography, this mount securely attaches to a variety of surfaces. The sturdy clamp opens up to 2.3 inches, allowing you to mount accessories to rods as thin as 0.59 inches, including popular DJI Ronin movie setups with 25mm and 30mm rods, plates, shoulder rigs, bike handles, and more. It supports a maximum payload of 3.3 pounds. With both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch female threads, this clamp is compatible with a wide range of devices, including small cameras, monitors, LED lights, microphones, and flashes. The included action camera adapter expands its compatibility even further. Quickly attach and detach your monitor and easily adjust the position of the monitor for optimal viewing angles while shooting. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with precision CNC machining and an anodized finish, this clamp is built to last. Protective rubber pads prevent scratches on your device. The package includes a super strong clamp and an action camera adapter, providing everything you need to get started. Never get stranded with a dead battery again. This compact 1000 amp lithium jumpstarter gets you back on the road in seconds, delivering up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. It's powerful enough for 6.0-liter gasoline and 3.0-liter diesel engines. Safety is paramount with its spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, ensuring mistake-proof 12-volt connections. It's not just a jump starter, it's a portable power bank for charging phones and tablets via USB, recharging in just 3 hours at 2.1 amps. Plus, a built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, adds extra utility. This advanced jump starter uses high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any weather. The rugged, IP65 water-resistant design and rubberized casing protect against damage. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's easy to carry. The package includes the GB40 jump starter, heavy-duty clamps, a 12-volt car charger, a micro USB cable, a storage bag, a user guide, and a 1-year warranty. Say goodbye to flat tires with the Astro AI tire inflator, built with innovative Tough Ultra technology. This means key components like the cylinder, motor gears, and connection rod are made using a super durable powder metallurgy process, boosting its lifespan by a remarkable 30%. Setting your desired pressure is simple. Use the M button to choose your unit, then the plus and minus buttons to adjust the pressure. The inflator automatically shuts off when it reaches your preset level. Its lightweight and compact design means it fits easily in glove compartments, under seats, or in your trunk. You'll barely notice it's there until you need it. The clear digital screen offers accurate readings and 4 pressure units to choose from. Intuitive buttons make it easy to preset your desired pressure, and the auto shut-off feature means you don't have to constantly monitor the inflation process. A backlit screen and built-in flashlight make it easy to use even in low-light conditions. A dedicated LED button activates the flashlight with a single press. It's a great gift for anyone who drives. Want to keep your high-mileage engine running strong? Max Life Motor Oil is designed with advanced technology to prevent engine breakdown, providing 40% better wear protection than the industry standard. Seal conditioners help reduce oil consumption and leakage, a common problem in older engines. Powerful detergents fight dirt, corrosion, rust, and deposits, keeping your engine clean and running smoothly. Advanced anti-friction additives maximize performance and increase fuel efficiency. Max Life meets or exceeds LSAC GF6A, API-SP, SN+, and SN standards. Proudly manufactured and formulated in the USA by the original motor oil brand, trusted for over 150 years. Not only that, the product is also experienced and highly rated by many customers. So don't hesitate to burn your car's running power with Valvoline synthetic motor oil right on Amazon. Looking to protect your car's interior and add a touch of style? These seat covers are the perfect solution for both new and used cars. They protect your car seats from everyday wear and tear, keeping them looking their best. Designed with comfort in mind, these covers feature a high-quality poly exterior that enhances ventilation, keeping you cool and comfortable on every ride. Plus, the stylish two-tone design with stitched accents will instantly refresh your car's interior, turning heads wherever you go. Installation is quick and easy. Simply follow the instructions and video included to install the front seat covers, then finish with the rear seat covers and headrests. It's a quick and effective way to upgrade your car. Designed to be versatile, these seat covers fit most vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, making them a great investment for almost any ride you take. Say goodbye to patchy, ineffective wipers. Lithium premium all-season wiper blades deliver exceptional performance in all weather conditions. These award-winning blades feature a bracketless beam design that perfectly matches the curve of the windshield, ensuring consistent contact and a clean sweep every time. Whether it's pouring rain or heavy snow, Lithium wipers deliver exceptional visibility. The innovative blade cover prevents dirt and debris from accumulating, while the aerodynamic shape eliminates debris buildup around the blade. This means clearer visibility and safer driving in all conditions. This set includes 2 wiper blades designed for your front windshield. Experience the difference in premium quality and enjoy a clear view of the road ahead, whatever the weather.